Hi Tigers, welcome back to our STEM lab. We've been learning all about what STEM really means. We've talked about the S, science, the T, technology, and today we're going to talk about the letter E, engineering. Engineers are so important to our world. They design and create everything that we use to help us. Roads, bridges, tables, houses, office buildings, everything. So it's really important when you're thinking like an engineer that you think about how what you're going to make is going to be used and who is going to use it. Today I have a little challenge for you. I hope that you've already listened to our story, Little Leonardo's Fascinating World of Engineering, to learn a little bit more about what engineering is and what kinds of engineers you're going to learn to be over the next few years. And our read aloud for Not a Box. This will hopefully inspire your creativity today. Our challenge today is going to be to build a device that can hold your pencils. Who doesn't need something that can help keep our supplies protected and safe? You're going to be using foil, if you have it, to build this device. If you don't have foil at home, no problem. Just use another sheet of paper. It's so important when you're acting like an engineer or a designer to make a sketch and brainstorm your ideas first. In our engineering design process, this is our imagine step. We're trying to think of the best possible ways to create what we need. So before we start building, we're going to spend some time just thinking and putting our thoughts on paper. So go get a sheet of paper and a pencil, and you're going to create some sketches. I want you to try to think of several different ideas of ways that you can build a device to hold your pencil. When we come up with different ideas, it helps us be prepared when it's time to build. So if one idea fails, we have some other ideas to fall back on. It's okay if your first design fails. We all fail sometime, as long as you learn from that mistake and you make it better, which is our last step, improving. So I want you to get a sheet of paper, get your pencil. I'm going to set our timer for 2 minutes. You might want to set your own timer at home. And I want you to draw as many different ways as you can think of to build something to hold your pencil. Don't forget to label your design so that we know exactly what all the parts are supposed to be. Set your 2-minute timer, have your pencil and paper ready, and go. All right, Tigers, your time is up. You should be done with your sketching and your brainstorming, and now it's time to build. So I want you to use the ideas that you've put on paper and that you've labeled and made super neat. I know you already did that. And grab your foil or your extra scratch sheet of paper. Now I want you to set a timer for 3 minutes and see what you can build with your materials. Try to stay as close to your original design that you drew on paper as you can to really help keep you on track with your building. But if something doesn't work, make a change and improve it. When you're all done, I want you to take a picture and send it to me at my email, gunn, G-U-N-N-A-B, @cfbisd.edu. Or your parents can send me a Parent Square message, or you can email it to me in our Canvas app. I cannot wait to see what pencil holder designs you come up with. Bye, Tigers.